Hey, what is going on? Parker here. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make big money fast. So this is for someone that needs money quickly, that needs money in one day. This video is perfect for you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make big money in one day online. Now, let me be clear. When I say big money, I'm not talking about just like $5 or $10 an hour online. I'm talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars you can make today online if you follow this step. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on your laptop with a Wi-Fi connection. So I'm going to show you how to make big money online fast, and I'm going to assume a couple different things while we're going through this video. So the first assumption I'm going to make is you have no skills whatsoever. I'm just going to assume you have a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection to get this done. I'm going to assume you have no online tech skills whatsoever. You have no idea how to promote your own products. You have no idea. You've never started a side hustle. You've never started an online business before. I'm going to assume you have no skills whatsoever. And, if you do have skills, you've done an online business before, then that's even better. You're going to succeed even more. But right now, I'm going to assume you have no skills whatsoever. And number two, I'm going to assume you have no time to set anything crazy up, right? I'm going to assume you literally need money today or maybe tomorrow, and you need it fast, right? So if you want to learn how to set up a long-term sustainable online business, then you can click on one of the videos right up above me. I have a couple different videos to show you how I do affiliate marketing and what it actually is. But in this video, I'm going to assume you need no time, no setup, no skills whatsoever, and you're going to be able to make big money fast. Now, I want to make one thing and one thing very, very clear, right? If you want to make money today and have money in your bank account or in your hand today, you need to get paid in cash, right? You need to go on Craigslist or, some other website, find an odd job to do and get paid in cash, right? You can't do anything online and get paid in the same day. It will not happen. It has to clear banks. It has to clear, PayPal accounts. It has to clear Stripe. Whatever you use, it has to clear that and actually go through the credit checks, right? So you're not going to get the money in your account today, but you can make it in your account today, and you can use it when it actually clears all that stuff and have it in your hand then. But if you want money today, cash in your hand, then this video is not for you. You need to go look for a video on how to make money cash in hand today. This is not going to show you how to do that. And this is going to be true for anything you find online, right? Whether it be Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, you do surveys online, you sell something on eBay or Etsy or whatever it may be. It's going to take a couple days at least for your money to get into your account after it clears with credit checks and banks and everything like that. So it's not going to happen immediately if you want to make money online. It's going to take at least a couple days to clear everything. Like I said, if you need cash in your hand, you need to go on if you're in the US, go on Craigslist, or if you're in a different country, maybe they have something similar to Craigslist, and find an odd job, right? Or maybe help out a friend or something like that, like move or something like that. That's how you get cash in hand today. But online, it's just not going to happen. So there are literally millions of different ways to make money online, right? There's stuff like, surveys, for example, that are a little bit smaller. You can make 5 to 10 cents per survey, maybe a little bit more, maybe somewhere like $1 or $2, right? There's this Survey Junkie. There's Swag Bucks for that. There's Amazon Mechanical Turk. There's a ton of different places to go make money doing surveys online. There's also some more advanced stuff like Amazon FBA, creating your own digital product, affiliate marketing, right? There's a couple different things, those are the big three that I like a lot. You could sell stocks, you could sell crypto, whatever it may be. There's a ton of different ways to make money online, right? This is an example of one of them. Amazon FBA is one of my favorites. But for the most part, right, you're either going to have stuff that's really small, like surveys, like I just showed you before, or like Amazon FBA, which is a lot harder to implement and a lot harder to actually scale and start making thousands of dollars, right? Now, what I'm about to show you is something you could do quickly, like a survey, but make thousands of dollars just like you could in Amazon FBA or high-ticket affiliate marketing or anything like that, right? This is something that can be done quickly, but also make you big, 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 big money. And it's one of the coolest things I've ever seen online, and I think everyone should do this if they need money today. Now, with that being said, this strategy will probably work one time. It's not going to work, forever. It's not going to work every month you try it, right? It's not going to help you build a long-term sustainable asset or sustainable business, right? It'll work once. This trick I'm about to show you kind of reminds me of a fireworks show, right? The finale of a fireworks show. So it's kind of like once you use up all the fireworks at once at the end, you have no more left to use after that, right? And then kind of the show's over. This is kind of like the finale of that show. With that being said, let's dive right in. Let me show you exactly how to make big money in one day online. Now, what you're going to want to do is head over to Clickbank Marketplace. And if you guys don't know what Clickbank is, essentially what it is an affiliate marketplace with a ton of different affiliate offers that pays big ticket commissions. So typical percentage of affiliate programs that you promote are going to be from 10 to 50% on the high end, right? So Amazon, Nike, Best Buy, Target, all of them. They have, 10 to 20% usually affiliate commission. So when a sale is made, you get about 10% of the actual, what the sale costs. So if like a pair of shoes is like $100, you get $10 at sale, right? That's pretty typical, 10 to 20. Some of the different programs I've seen, like affiliate marketing programs, make money online programs, stuff like that, pay about, 25 to 50% on the higher end. So a little bit higher than like the other kind of stuff. But typically what it is about 10 to 50% is from what I've seen. This is where Clickbank's a little bit different. They pay up to 90% commissions on stuff on these products that are online, right? So some of them are, a little bit lower, like 50%, but it typically pays on the higher end, like 50 to 90%, which is pretty cool because this network was built for affiliates, right? It's built for affiliate marketing. It's not really to promote your own products. It's made so you can actually make money becoming an affiliate marketer. So they have stuff a lot of higher percentages of 50 to 90%, which is way above industry standard. So if you're new to Clickbank and you've never seen this before, stay until the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your account, how to find this marketplace that I'm showing you right now, and how to, get started with Clickbank. But stay until the end. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to, make that big sale and make that big money quick. And at the end, I'll show you how to, set up your account if you need it. So what you're seeing here is the Clickbank Marketplace, right? And this, this is where all the different affiliate offers are and different like actual products that you can go and promote. Up here, as you can see, you can have like the master account. There's like a dashboard over here. This is kind of like where your back-end stuff is held. But right here on the screen is actually where, you actually go and find the product. So what you're going to want to do is start up here in the left-hand corner, right? You're going to see categories and browse all, right? So you're going to click on browse all. And the reason I did this is because I found an offer for you guys and I think is really great. And I'm going to show you exactly how to find it. So you're going to go to browse all, scroll down to initial dollars per conversion. So the reason you want to do initial dollar per conversion and not the average dollars per conversion is because you want big money fast, right? You want the first sale you ever do, the first sale to actually make you big money. So I'm doing initial dollars per conversion. And then what you're going to want to do over here is click high to low. Mine's already on that, so it's already here. So what you're going to see this sponsored one up here, and then you're going to see the first offer on here, right? The ambassador, get paid to talk to your favorite brands on the internet. This is an offer that you can make big money on fast, right? This is something that I found for you. This is something that I really think could make a lot of money quickly because the average initial dollars per conversion is almost $1,000, right? And the average dollars per conversion, if someone does buy, is over $1,000. So on the front end, you can make like $800 on average per sale. And then on the back end, make another $200, right? This is on average. So this is what people are doing. When someone buys, this is the average amount they actually make off of one sale. So like I said, if you make one sale with this, that you promote this offer, you make one sale, you get $1,069 on average, right? It could be higher, it could be lower, right? But this is the average amount that people get when they make one sale. Imagine if you were to get 2 sales, 5 sales, 10 sales of this right away. That's $5,000 to $10,000 in your account if you can make, this sale and just have this offer promote for you. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that and how you can actually do it to where, most of the work is done for you. You just have to set it up to start. So I'm gonna show you that in a minute, but just imagine the possibilities of making 5 to 10 sales just by doing this real quick. So like I said, the reason I love this product that I found is because it actually has a free training that you can promote instead of actually promoting the product itself. So when you promote like a free training or like a giveaway, people are much more inclined to actually go check it out, right? Instead of having to put their credit card down and buy something. Now, if people like the free training and they opt in and they actually watch the free training and like it and they want to buy the product, that's how you make the money, right? But what you can do is promote the free training and then from there, let the person that created the product do the work for you and then you get a sale on the back end. So now what you're actually going to want to do is go and click on promote. And when you do that, you'll see this screen pop up, right? You'll see account nickname and tracking ID. So for you right now, tracking ID does not matter. Just focus on the account nickname, right? So the account nickname is actually like your username that you create in Clickbank. And I'll show you how to create this and I'll show you how to do it. It's really easy. It's really simple. But this is really important because if you don't put the right account nickname in here, Clickbank won't be able to track it back to you. So if a sale is made on the product and you put the wrong nickname in here, you put the wrong account, then that sale will go to somebody else, right? So you want to make sure you have the right account nickname in here at all times, right? Don't worry about the tracking ID. It doesn't matter for you, but the account nickname is very, very important. So what you're going to want to do is type in your account nickname here in the field. So I think mine is, Parker CH. And then click here, create hop link. So what it does, this link is tracked back to your Clickbank account, right? So this is quote unquote your affiliate link, right? So what you're going to do, and this is a little bit in the way, but you can copy this. So hop and copied, right? So you copy this and then boom, you're done. This is your affiliate link and you promote this to people online. And when someone buys the product using this link, you make big ticket commissions. So one additional step that I think you should take if you're going to do this is actually going into Bitly and changing your link up a little bit. So if you look back at here, right, this link is really ugly. Like no one's going to click on this if you just push this anywhere. Like you need to make it look a little bit more attractive so people actually want to click on it. So what you can do is go over to Bitly. It's a link shortener and you can create a free account just like with email or whatever it may be, and you can go to create. Once you click create, you're going to paste in your long link and you can click create down here and it's going to create a new link for you, right? And you can change the title to wherever you want. You can just leave it, want to get paid today, right? And then what you're going to do is change the back half of the link. So for me, my name, it's PC, so I'm going to do Ambassador PC, right? This is the ambassador program and I'm PC. So save this and it's cool. It's edited. So now what you can do is copy this link. And then when you go onto here, let's see if this works. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see the ambassador program, this free training that you're promoting. And you're going to see, this is my Clickbank affiliate ID right here, right? So equals Parker CH. So this is what you can do to make your link a little bit more attractive so people actually want to go click on it instead of having all these, different numbers and all these different letters here because that doesn't look good, right? That doesn't look good. So what I recommend you do if you're going to do this is go to Bitly, create a free account, and actually go and, shorten it like this. So I took this one. So if anyone's, and this is their PC and they want to do this, sorry about that. I took that. But anyways, so it's really easy to do. Takes like 5 seconds to do, and, it'll make a big difference in the long run. So once you've created your affiliate ID and your affiliate link, like I just showed you, the hard part's done. You've already done the hardest part, right? Now it's going to promote your link to other people, right? And this is what you're going to do. This is something, like I said, it only works once, but it works once to make big money because you can make $1,000 per sale. What you're going to do is take that link and you're going to post it on your social media, your personal social media account. So you're going to post it on your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, your Snapchat, your Instagram story, your Facebook story. Everywhere, right? You're going to post it anywhere you can and anywhere that you can actually post it to. All you have to post is actually go on your, social media, and all you have to say is, hey, here's a free training that showed me how to make money online. Click here to check it out, right? Something very simple. Just throw it on all your social media platforms. So this is an example of what it'll look like on Facebook, right? All you have to do is, here's a free training that showed me how to make money online. Click here to check it out. And then you have the link right there, and then there's like a preview of the link, right? So what you're doing right now is you're selling to your friends and family, right? And there's a ton of money to be made in this if you do it correctly, if you do it like I'm teaching you, right? You have probably, 500 to 1,000 friends and family on your, in your Facebook account, in your Instagram, in your TikTok, in your Snapchat, right? You post this link somewhere, and if one of them buys it, you make at least $1,000, right? You're making $1,000 on the front end and then even more on the back end. So it's pretty cool. You can do this with every single social media account you have. So like I said, you're going to want to put this on every one of your social media platforms. You want to put the same kind of post on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, whatever you have, put it on there, right? Put it on there, your personal page so your friends and family can see it and actually go buy it. What you're also going to want to do is create a short email and send it to everyone you've ever emailed on your email list, right? I don't care if you have a business before. You don't need a business before. Do it to everyone you send your email to, your friends and family, your, colleagues, whatever it is. Like, maybe don't send it to your work email, but send it to your colleagues, right? Send it to, everyone you see. Get this link to as many people as possible, right? Quickly. In the next 2 days, you can make literally thousands of dollars. If one person buys it, you make $1,000. 2 people buy it, you make $2,000. If 5 people buy this thing, watch the free training, and go buy on the back end, you make $5,000. It really is that powerful. It's so quick and easy way to make big money in 1 day online. Look how much work. I just did the whole thing for you. It took like 5 minutes to show you, right? It's very quick. It's very easy. You can do this to make big money quickly online. Now, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how to set up a Clickbank account because, it can be confusing for some people if they've never done it before, or, if you're brand new to Clickbank and affiliate marketing, it takes 5 seconds, but I still want to show you how to do it. So what you want to do is go into Google and type in clickbank.com. Then once you get to Clickbank, you'll see the screen right here. So what you want to do is just start here, right? Click on that and let it load. And all you're gonna want to do is fill out some information, right? They're gonna ask you for some information. If you already have an account, what your name is, what your email is, and ask you to sign up, right? It's very simple. It's the same thing as like an email account or like, you know, something on like Google or Gmail or anything like that. It's very simple to sign up. All you have to do is go through this, but all you have to do is click start here and then work your way through it, right? What you're going to want to do is create a nickname for your account, right? So that's what I told you about before. It's like a username, right? So I have a couple different ones on my account, but essentially what you do is create a nickname for your account, and that's how you actually get paid commission. So the most important step is once you create the nickname is to go and click on this little button right here. This little like house thing is the marketplace. So this is how you get to the screen I showed you guys before, right? So this is where you see all the different affiliate offers, all the different affiliate products, all the different, you know, stuff that you can actually go promote and make big take commissions in one day online. So full disclaimer, you don't have to promote the product I showed you. You don't have to promote that one. I just thought that was a good one because you could promote the free training. There are tons. There are probably millions of offers on here. I don't even know how many there are. There's so many on Clickbank. All you have to do is find one you really like, maybe something that is tailored more towards your family or friends, maybe something that you like personally, but just make sure it has high ticket commissions and make sure it has some sort of free giveaway to get someone to actually go through a training or, you know, an email list to make them buy on the first day. So you can make big commissions in one day, right? One day online. So Clickbank has a ton of offers. Just go and pick your one. But this is the marketplace. This is what I showed you guys before. Ton of different categories, ton of different things. You can browse all. You can see the top offers, saved offers, whatever it may be. So very easy to navigate on Clickbank. You know, it's very easy to learn, but the marketplace could be hard for some people. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. So with that being said, I'm just going to run through the steps real quick as a summary so you can see exactly how to make big money online in one day. So step one is to go make a Clickbank account like I showed you guys how to do. Very simple, very easy, very straightforward. Step two is to go find a product on the marketplace. So that'd be like the, you know, ambassador product that I found for you guys or, you know, whatever you want to promote. Step three is to shorten the link from there. So once you have the link and, you know, you create it, you shorten it so you actually have the link to, you know, start promoting. Step four is to promote it to your friends and family on your social media platform. So that was like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever it may be. Send it to your email, send it over text, send it to everywhere you see. And step five is to actually get a big ticket commission and make big money in one day online. It's very straightforward, guys. Very simple. This is how you do it. This works extremely, extremely well. But it only works once, right? It's only going to work one time. You don't want to spam your offer to your friends and family. You don't want to spam your link everywhere. Maybe you could do it after like a month and let the time pass and try it again. But it works once. It could work a second time. It could work a third time. Maybe you could try it and let me know. But I know it works once. Give it a shot and see what you do, right? See if you can make some big money with this and see how it works for you. With that being said, I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. I hope you guys use this and it works for you guys and you actually make big money in one day online. You know, if you're not doing an online business, you're not starting a business online, this is a good way to just make some extra cash quickly, right? So I hope you guys use it. I hope you guys use it to your advantage. If you have any questions about anything I said in the video, just feel free to drop in the comments down below. I'll make sure to get to it and I'll make sure to answer you. And, you know, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this. I really do. And finally, if you're new to this channel and you got a lot of value out of this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below so you don't miss anything I post in the future. With that being said, thanks again for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.